Lumens, your success, our focus.
This video shows you how to use VC-TR1 for streaming on Facebook. We'll walk you through the steps for how to use VC-TR1 for streaming on Facebook. Position your camera above the audience on a tripod or dedicated mount. Take care to position the camera correctly. Position the camera around 8 meters from the subject, ideally at a height of 2.4 meters from the ground. Connect the power, HDMI, and network cables. Your laptop should be on the same network as the camera. Now turn on the camera. Follow the steps to download and install the LumensCMS application. Launch LumensCMS. Go to the Device Manager. Click the Configuration button, and go to the RTMP tab. Go to Facebook and start a live video. Click Use Stream key. Copy the server URL. Paste it on the LumensCMS RTMP, and add a slash after the server URL. Copy the stream key and paste it on LumensCMS RTMP. Check the box and save the settings. You're now ready. Change Facebook stream settings and click Go Live to start live streaming on Facebook. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.